Dear students, yesterday we have discussed exercise 1.2 on 9-digit numbers. Up to D we have already done. Today we will start some number E, but before that I want to explain a small thing. How to put comma between the digits. So here see, in the first digit, this is the first number. When you are putting comma, start from the right hand side. That means in this way. After 3 digits, put a comma. 1, 2, 3. So here put a comma. Then after every 2 digits, put comma. 1, 2, put comma. 1, 2, then again put comma. And these are 2. Similarly, next one, start from the right hand side. After 3 digits, put a comma. Then after 2 digits, then again after 2 digits. This is the process how you can put comma in a number. Now, question number E. Write the following numbers in the expanded form. In each case, write the place value of 3. So here one number is given. You have to write down the expanded form of this number. This is the number. First, write down the place value. Ones place, tens place, 100 place, 1000 place, 10,000 and lakhs. Now in expanded form, see 3 is in lakhs, so this is 3 lakhs, plus 8 is in 10,000, so it is 80,000. 5 is in 1000, so 5,000. 6 is in 100 plus 600. 9 is in 10, so plus 90 plus 1's place digit is 6, so this is 6. Next part, place value of 3. Now 3 is in lakhs place, so place value of 3 will be 3 lakhs. Next question, question number 4. Similarly here a number is given. First I have written the place value, ones place, tens place, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crore, 10 crore. So when you are writing the expanded form, first see 3 is in 10 crore place. So write down 30 crore. 0 is in crore place. So I am not writing anything since the digit is 0. Again 2 is in 10 lakhs place. Write down 20 lakhs. 0 is in lakhs. I am not writing anything. Next 5 is in 10,000. So it will be 50,000. 6 is in 1000. It is 6,000. 7 is in 100, so this is 700. 0 is in 10, so I am not writing anything. And 9 is in 1's place, so this is 9. Now what is the place value of 3? See, 3 is in 10 crore place, so place value of 3 will be 30 crore. Next sum. Sum number 7. Number is given. First I have written the place value here. After that the expanded form. 9 is in 10 crore place. So I have written 90 crore. 8 is in crore place. So it is 8 crore. 7 is in 10 lakhs place. So plus 70 lakhs. 6 is in lakhs place. So it is 6 lakhs. Plus 5 is in 10,000 place. It is 50,000. 4 is in 1000 plus 4,000. 3 is in 100, so it is 300. 2 is in 10 place plus 20 and 1 is in 1 place, so plus 1. Now place value of 3, here 3 is in 100 place, so place value of 3 will be 300. You can write 300 in this way or 300. You can write this also, both are right. Next question. Write the following in the standard form. Here the expanded form is given. You have to write down the number in standard form. First see, total expanded form is given. Here first you have to put comma. So first I told you what is the process. Start from the right hand side. After 3 digit put a comma, then after every 2 digit, Similarly here, after 3 digit, then after 2 digit, after 3 digit, and here only 3 digit is there. In the first one, this is ones period, this is thousand period, and this is lakhs period, and 6 is in 10 lakhs. So mark it 10 lakhs and circle 6. Here, this is ones period, this is thousand period, and this is lakhs period. This 5 is in only lakhs. So write down L and circle it. Next, this is ones period, this is thousand period. 4 is in 10,000. Write down 10,000 and here circle this. 3 is in thousand period. 2 is in 100. So circle it. Write down 100. 1 is in 10th place and here 1 is in ones place. Now first write down the place value chart. Start from 10 lakhs because here first digit is in 10 lakhs. First 10 lakhs, lakhs, 10,000, 1,000, 100, tens and ones. After that write down only these digits. 6 is under 10 lakhs, so I have written here 6. 5 is in lakhs, write down 5. 4 is in 10,000, write down 4. 3 is in 1,000, write down 3 here. 2 is in 100, in 100 place write down 2. 1 is in 10 place, write down 1, and 1 is in 1 place, write down 1. So now what is the standard form? 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 1. Here I have written a standard form. In standard form you have to mention the comma. So start from the right hand side. After 3 digit put the comma, then after 2 digit. So this is the process how you can write the standard form. Similarly in the sum number 3, here also the expanded form is given. You have to write down the standard form. Like the previous one, first put comma. First one will be after 3 digit, then after every 2 digit. Similarly here, after 3 digit, 2 digit. After 3 digit, this is 3 digits only are here, and this is 1 digit. Now, first period. This period is ones. This is thousand. This is lakhs. And this period is crore period. In crore period, 5 is under 10 crore. So I have written 10 crore and circle this number. Here, this is in ones period. This is in thousand period. This is in lakhs period. In lakhs period, 5 is under 10 lakhs. So write down 10 lakhs and here circle 5. Similarly here, 5 is in 10,000 period. Here 5 is in 100 period. Here 5 is in ones period. Here the place value chart has been started from 10 crore. So write down the place value chart from 10 crore to ones. 10 crore, crore, 10 lakhs, lakhs, 10,000, 1,000, 100, tens and ones. Then see here in 10 crore I have written 5. So write down 5. This is in 10 lakhs. So I have written 5. In crore no digit is there, so write down 0. In lakhs, no digit is here, so write down 0. In 10,000, the digit is 5, so write down 5. In 1000, no digit is here, write down 0. In 100, digit is 5, so write down 5. In tens place, no digit is here, write down 0, and in ones place, the digit is 5, write down 5. So the standard form is 505050505. Put the comma from the right hand side after 3 digit, then after 2, after 2. Sum number 4. Put the comma from the right hand side after 3 digit, 2 digit and 2 digit. This is ones period, this is thousand period, this is lakhs period, and this is crore period. In crore period, 1 is in under 10 crore. So I have written 10 crore and circle 1. Here 100, this one is in 100 and 9 is in ones. So first write down in 10 crore place 1, in 100 place 1, and in ones place 9. Other place value digits are not here, so write down 0. 0, 0, all the zeros will be here. Except 10 crore, 100 and ones, other will be 0 because no place value is here. So what will be the standard form? 1000000109. Then put comma from the right hand side after 3 digit, then after 2, after 2.